If you have budgies, you probably know that they chirp a lot. My daughter wants them inside her room, but the problem is animals should sleep when the sun sets. And my daughter spends time in her room doing something, turning the lights on. It disturbs both the budgies and my daughter as both can't do what they want to do. It's unhealthy for animals to keep them awake, so I came up with a solution. I'm going to make a blackout box to cover them at night so that my daughter can do whatever she wants to do, keeping the lights on but not harming the budgies' sweet sleep. Here's the design I made. You can make one according to your cage's size. I actually keep 3 to 4 inch of clearance from all sides so that I can place them easily. For this project, you need some sort of blackout curtain or fabric. I got them from Marketplace. Someone gave the white part for free. You know, some people are like philanthropists by nature. Really appreciate and thankful to her for that gift. Other part, I bought it for $5 from Marketplace. You need some sort of sewing tool. I used my sewing machine. You can sew by hand too. You need some sort of cardboard and some sticks. It can be wooden, plastic, to just give the weight at the bottom of the box. I have my fabric ready. So there are 2 types of fabric here. These 2 types of fabric is like one is for the top, another is for the front, back, left and right. So I'm gonna cut them and then sew it. When I'm cutting the fabric, I leave half an inch slack. It is very important to keep the extra space, otherwise you lose the part of the stitch you saw. So I cut out all the pieces. That will be the top, that's front, this is back, this is right side, this is left side. So what I'll do, I'll seam all these side pieces and at last I'll sew the top part. Here you can see that I'm sewing the side parts and I'm leaving the half-inch slack on each side. After that, I'm attaching the top part of it. Now I'm cutting the cardboard. This cardboard will be placed underneath of the top part of the fabric, which will keep the top part of the box sturdy. So I saw all the parts of the fabric, and now I actually marked the handle at the top, which is the middle of the entire fabric, and I actually pinch the corners and all the parts so that I can use some sort of attachment underneath of that so that there is cardboard which can be placed easily whenever we're washing that fabric. After attaching the top handle, you can make a loop at the bottom of the blackout box so that we can insert a stick, which will keep the fabric down to the ground with its weight. Now is the time to add some Velcro to stick the cardboard with the fabric. You should keep both parts separate because you need to wash the item time to time. You can slip the cardboard inside the fabric cover and align the placement to fit it perfectly. After inserting all the bottom sticks, it looks something like that. So for our party at night, we can just go there and place the blackout box on top, and that's it. We're good. They're super quiet. There's no sound. Whenever we need to take it off, you just go there and take it off. You can check what you can see inside. Just placing it here, it's blackout. They'll be sleeping and there's no problem with that. So there is light here, but they can sleep. When we need to store it, we just take this thing out from the cage and place somewhere. Take the air out, organize it, put everything inside, and store it underneath of the bed. That's it. And whenever we need to use them, we take them out and just unfold it, put them back into the place, and they'll be happy and quiet. Hope you like the video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you.